ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। You can repeat. Alpaksharam asandikdham
अल्पाक्षरम् असंदिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवत् मुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः अयिवुन् एओङ् ऐऔच् हयवरट् लन् ஞாமாங்கணம் ஜபை घटदश जबगडदश खफ चठथ चटतौ कपै शशसर फल इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि अकुह विसर्जनीयानां घण्टः इचुयशानां तालु ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ ञमाङाणानां नासिका च एदैतो कंठतालु
एदैतोः
कण्ठतालु
कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोगो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौतोः
कण्ठोष्ठम्
कण्ठोष्ठम्
अकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
कारस्य
दन्तोष्ठम्
दन्तम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य
जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेण विहता
निशाचरचमूः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे राम मामुद्धर
Mute your mic now. Girijaji.
Yes, Guruji.
Just you can read, recalling what all Sandhis we have seen.
Padanta Sakara will be replaced by Refa. Example, Ramas becomes Ramar.
Next
Refa
person,
will be
Jyotiji. Just read the rule, that is enough. Example also not required. Jyotiji.
Refa will be replaced by Visarga either when followed by a khar or at the avasana.
Kausalyaji.
Visarga followed by khar except ka, kha, pa, pha will be replaced by sakara.
Manjulaji. Next one. Number 10.
Visarga followed by shar will be optionally replaced by sakara.
Manojji.
Visarga
Number 11.
Visarga followed by pa, pha or ka, kha. Visarga will be retained, or Visarga will take the sound of Upu Padmaniya when followed by pa, pha. Visarga will take the sound of Jihva Muliyam when followed by ka, kha.
Manoj, you can watch today. Next person, Rajaji. Number 12.
Visarga within brackets room preceded by a and followed by a will be replaced by u. Then guna and purva rupa sandhi will happen.
Yes, Girijaji.
Visarga, that is Ru, preceded by A and followed by Hash. U and Guna will happen.
Jyotiji, 14.
Visarga room preceded by a and followed by ach other than a replaced by ya.
Yakara.
Yakara drop.
Yeah.
Yakara dropped. No further sandhi will happen.
Kausalyaji, 15.
Visarga room preceded by a and followed by ash, ach plus hash, replaced by yakara. Yakara drop. No further sandhi will happen. Visarga in eshaha saha
Next
is dropped.
person.
Sorry.
Manjulaji.
Visarga in eshaha or saha is dropped when followed by any letter except a.
Last one.
Visarga will
Anuradhaji.
Visarga will be replaced by repha and preceded by any vowel other than a and followed by ach or hush.
Is it a rule?
No, it is one step
No, it's
back
not.
because
Yes.
khar was not there.
Yes. It is inferred. It's not a separate rule. Okay. It is inferred. So now let us continue and doing all the examples in the class itself so that you understand. It's important. Sandhi. After that, we can take up Gita and do Sandhi Vichedana. After doing some more Sandhi rules. Now, up to this, we saw in the last class. Now, Namaha plus Vratapate, starting from Girijaji.
Yes, Guruji. Namaha Vratapataye. Dirgha Namaha. Namo.
We just read all the rules, right? Keep the rules with you.
I know, Guruji. I've got that paper somewhere here.
So Namaha plus Vratapate. See the Visarga. What is the Visarga followed by? Is it a kar letter?
Vakara.
Is it a kar letter?
No, yes, it is not a kar letter, Guruji.
It's not a kar
Kar.
letter. So therefore,
It's not a kar letter.
therefore actually Visarga is not there because we are going to do Sandhi. What is there now? Ru only is there.
Namas. Ru.
Yes.
Go
Ru.
one back.
Yeah,
back.
Ru alone is
Ru.
there. So Ru preceded by what letter? Do Sandhi, simple.
Akara.
Yeah,
Preceded
continue.
by
Preceded by Akara
preceded Akara and
and
followed by Namar.
followed by what? Ru followed by the first letter of the following word.
Va. Followed by Va. Va
What is
is
Hmm.
semi-vowel, which is
Semi-vowel, that is not required. Labeling that as
Hush.
semi-vowel is not required. We have to label it differently.
hush.
That are-
Hush.
Hush letter you have to say. See the
Hush
rule.
letter.
Visarga preceded by A and followed by Hush. Visarga will be replaced by Ukara. Which rule is that?
And
Rule number.
Guna Sandhi happens. Yeah.
Which rule is that? The list of serial number 1789. Take this chart. Okay, have a printout of this chart. Rule number 13. Ru
I
preceded
think I
by
have
A, followed by Hush. This is the rule will apply. Ukara will be Adesha in the place of Ru. Then A plus U Guna will happen. You get the form. Namo Vratapataye. Rule number 13.
Okay. Thank you.
Next person. Jyotiji.
Deha ha plus bhasyatah. So it is visarga preceded by a. So it becomes dehaya and ya is dropped. So deha bhasyatah.
How it is dropped? Which rule?
A visarga preceded by a, the visarga is dropped.
Again, Visarga?
Preceded by a.
Okay. Then
And followed by a hush letter.
followed by Ash letter. In fact, Visarga itself, Visarga is not dropped actually. What is dropped?
Visarga becomes yakara.
Yakara, not Visarga drop. Visarga becomes Yakara, Yakara
And
dropping
yakara is low.
Lopaha optionally. So it is not in fact Visarga, it is Ru. Ru is replaced by Yakara. You have to see Ru in the place of Visarga. Because followed by Bha, which is not a kar letter, therefore Visarga cannot be there, right? What is there is only Ru. That Ru is replaced by Yakara. Yakara preceded by, that is not Yakara preceded by, Yakara is Padanta Yakara now. Yes, Yakara preceded by Avarna. That Yakara is dropped optionally when followed by Ach. When followed by consonant, it is dropped mandatorily. This rule I have told you, though you don't see in the list, that in the list you will see in the next update. Here you can note, I told this, Visarga, that the room preceded by A and followed by Ash. Then the row is replaced by Yakara. The Yakara is dropped optionally. Yakara dropping is optional. Yakara is dropped optionally and no further Sandhi will happen Yakara is dropped when followed by H, it is dropped optionally. When followed by Hush, it is dropped mandatorily. Please note that. It is not here, the rule is not there. It will be updated later, but you have to note. Is it clear? That Yakara has to be, the Yakara has to be a Padanta Yakara, not any Yakara. The Yakara has to be a Padanta Yakara, Yakara or Vakara, and preceded by Avarna, A or A, that Yakara. When followed by Ach, it is dropped optionally. When followed by Hal, Hal is consonant. Here Ash is a subset of Hal, soft consonant. It is dropped mandatorily. So therefore, Dehaha plus Basitaha becomes Deha Basitaha. Is it clear?
Sharanji, could you please repeat that when it is when it's followed by Hush, is it? Hush, it is dropped compulsorily.
Yes, when it is followed by Hal, I said. Hal is consonant.
Yeah.
Hush is a consonant or not?
Hush is?
Is it a
No.
subset of? No, it's not. No.
Yes, Hush is a consonant.
Hush, I'm talking about soft consonant, not Hush.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about this one. I'm talking about this soft consonant, Hush. It's a consonant. So when followed by soft consonant, it is dropped mandatorily.
Oh, okay.
There is no option. Only when followed by Ach, optionality is there. Here the example also you can see. Alakaha agachanti. Here Visarga is replaced by Yakara. Yakara is dropped optionally because agachanti, A follows.
Yeah.
Suppose if gachanti is there, it must drop. No choice.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Next one. Next person. Kausalyaji.
Vishnuhu Upavishanti. Visarga will be replaced by Repha when preceded by any vowel other than A, and followed by Ach or Hush. So it is Vishnu Rupavishanti. Vishnur plus Upavishanti. Vishnu Rupavishanti.
Is it a special rule? Any rule exist?
No, it is inferred.
It's
It's not a rule.
Vishnuhu, here Repa itself will not be there when you do Sandhi. One step back, Ru will be there. Ru is nothing but Repa. Therefore, just Melanam, Repa plus Ukara, Ru, Vishnu Rupa Vishanti. Okay. Next person.
Namaha Bhagavate. Visarga followed by Hush letter. So it is actually Namar Bhagavate. And we have to observe preceding letter also because it is not following letter is not Kar letter.
Good.
Visarga preceded by Akara and followed by Hush letter. So Akara plus Ukara with Gunasandhi, Namo Bhagavate.
Yes.
Yeah.
Anuradhaji.
Pullingaha plus Ramaha. It is Visarga preceded by Akara and followed by Hush. So it will become Visarga will be replaced by Ukara. Then Akara plus Ukara, a Guna will happen. Pullingo Rama.
Okay. Let me ask you one thing. Pullingaha plus Ramaha, Pullingo Ramaha, right?
Yeah.
I will teach the rule later, but just tell this. Punaha plus Ramaha, what will be the form? Anybody can say, okay, this I have not taught. I'm not going to teach this also now elaborately. Later we will see, but just to If you see.
Punar Ramaha.
Yeah, G. Repa
Punar-
becomes Punar
Is
Rama.
it just Melanam?
Melanam.
Punar Ramaha.
Is it just Melanam?
Yes, it is Punar actually. The Repa, the Visarga is there. It is the Visarga is because of Repa. Punar plus Ramaha, right?
Yeah.
You know Melanam only. Therefore, it is fine, but it is not really Melanam. It is not Punar Ramaha. This is wrong. This is wrong.
The double.
Yes,
Repa.
double Repa. Yeah, not because of double Punar Ramaha, but what happens here?
Because
Here,
Avyaya.
It is not the rule of Visarga.
so yeah, so it is not the room of. Therefore, what will happen? So that don't worry, I have not taught you this. So we will see that later. The form it will be the Repa is a Repa followed by Repa. As I said, I will teach you this later. We have not seen this yet. That is why this Repa, I mean, in advance I told from the keeping this in mind. This when the Repa comes, the Repa is born of room, or it is just a Repa of the Avyaya or that. So that is why specifically I say this. What is this? Okay, anyway. So here you can see Punar plus Ramaha. The Repa is there followed by Repa. When Repa is followed by Repa, that first Repa will become Lopaha, and the preceding the vowel will become Dirgha. Therefore, it becomes, this is wrong, it becomes Puna Ramaha, the form would be. The form will become Puna. That is, this Repa will become Lopaha, and the vowel preceding to that, which is Akara, that becomes Dirgha. Puna Ramaha, it will become. Right? Understand? So, this rule we will see that later. I'm just telling you this, but this same rule applied for the example what you read, Anuradhaji. What is the rule I said? Repa followed by Repa.
Yeah.
The first Repa will become Lopaha.
Ah.
When the first Repa becomes Lopaha, the preceding unletter, the preceding vowel, let us say vowel now, no problem,
Yeah.
will become Dirgha. So, is it not the same case with Pullingo Ramaha? There also Pullingaha is, what is that Visarga? That is nothing but Ru. That is Repa only. We are not talking about that Ru Repa or this Repa. Any Repa. Repa followed by Repa. That is a rule, I said.
Yeah.
Repa followed by Repa. The first Repa will become Lopaha, and the preceding and will become, the vowel will become Dirgha.
Dirgha.
Is it not applicable for Pullingaha plus Ramaha?
Yes, it is applicable.
Therefore, Pullingo Ramaha, is it correct? Pullingaha plus Ramaha.
But Guna, even
Linga
Akaram
Ramaha.
plus this thing will also be only.
Sorry?
See, there is no Dirgha for O.
Not Dirgha for O. Even
O itself should not come.
Should not come.
Pullinga Ramaha.
Pullinga
Actually,
Ramaha.
It is Pulli, what is there here? It's only Ru. Ru is nothing but Repa. That's why I said the rule. Repa followed by Repa only. I said. I didn't say any what Repa is it. Any Repa.
Oh,
Repa followed by Repa. The first Repa will become Lopaha, and the preceding will become preceding vowel. Actually, it is preceding vowel only. The vowel, not all the vowel. Un will be there. A, E, U. The un letter will become Dirgha. We will see that later. But that is a rule here that is applied. Therefore, it becomes Pullingo. That is sorry. Pullinga, not Pullingo. Pullinga Ramaha iti rupam bhavati. I'll give another example. You can see Agnihi plus Rochate. You just see this. Agnihi plus Rochate. Don't worry, we have not seen this. This is exception that we will see later. Agnihi plus Rochate. Apply the same thing. What is the place of Visarga?
Agnir Refa.
Yes, Agniru plus Rochate.
Agni,
Repa
Rochate.
followed by Repa. Therefore, the Repa, first Repa will become Lopaha, and the preceding unletter becomes Dirgha, Agni, Rochate. When the Repa is preceded by when the preceding unletter, that is Repa when followed by Repa, the Repa will become Lopaha, and the preceding unletter. Un is A, E, U. These only the three letters. Short un. In the Pratyahara, they have to take the short un, not the longer one. The two uns are there, if you remember. Ayivun is one. And what is the longer one? Ayivun, Riluk, Evum up to Lan. However, Lan. Don't take the longer one. Take the shorter one, Ayivu. When preceded by any of these letters, vowels, Akara, Ikara, Ukara, that will become Dirgha, right? So therefore, Pullinga Rama iti Rupam Bhavati. This I will update in the, it is there, I think, in the update. Next class probably I will show you that. So this,
Excuse me, Gurudev.
yes,
Just now, a while ago, you wrote Punarramaha, Refa on Dirgha Refa.
I wrote to show you it is a mistake.
It's a mistake. So it's not the right one. I wrote it as double Refa comes. Okay.
I wrote that to show that is a mistake.
Is a mistake. Okay. Thank you.
Because with whatever knowledge we have, we will write like that. That's okay. But I'm saying now, another rule is that is, this is specifically when Repa followed by Repa, this is applied. So among the hush letter, if Repa is also a hush letter only, soft consonant. If Repa follows what? Follows any Repa. Whether the Repa is part of the Avyaya, this Repa is different, this Repa is different. Let it be any Repa. Repa followed by the Repa, then this Repa, the first Repa, will become Lopaha. When it becomes Lopaha, what happens simultaneously? The preceding unletter, A, E, U, will become Dirgha. Therefore, Agni Rochate, Rupam. Punar plus Ramaha, don't do Melanam, Punar Ramaha. You can note this rule. Okay, when Repa followed by Repa, it is there in the chart, but not in this chart. And then maybe I think the next one, let me check. So this is exception. This is exception, Apavada, we have to note. Okay, 1 minute, let me check whether it is there. And Repa followed by Repa. I didn't teach in the beginning because it will confuse. So now you can understand. just a minute. Okay, maybe somewhere there in the chat, I'll show you that later. You can note this, right? Fine. So this rule, repa followed by repa. It's a new rule. You can note it. I will update in the chart later. So this is an exception to the replacement of the ru by ukara or the repa just doing melanam. That also you cannot do it. Therefore, it is an exception. Understand?
Yes, sure.
Guruji, one doubt
Yes.
in this Pullingaha plus Ramaha, but here it is Visarga preceded by A. So it should not be V,
It should not be.
it should be O, no? Pullinga Visarga preceded by A and followed by Hush letter.
Mhm.
It will become Ukara, then Ukara will take the Guna. That is one rule is there.
If that is rule is there, then why I teach this rule?
No, but how you got this Repa here? Pullinga.
Pullingar, what is there in the place of Visarga? What is there in the place of Visarga?
I couldn't get it. In the case of Visarga, preceded by Visarga. So Visarga is converted.
Rape, in the place of Visarga, what is the repa only is there, right?
Yeah. Okay. So then followed by another Repa. So then we have to follow this. Okay,
Yes.
I got it.
And followed by repa, this becomes. Just a minute. One minute. Yes. So repa followed by repa. So this rule is applied. You note this, we will see that later. Okay. We'll discuss on this further later. So therefore, Punar plus Ramaha, it is not Melanam, it is Punaramaha. The preceding A will come Dirgha. Similarly, Agnihi plus Rochate becomes Agni Rochate iti rupam bhavati. Similarly, here also. The Sakara Pullingaha, the Visarga comes because of Padanta Sakara. Sakara is nothing but room. So Repa followed by Repa. So Pullinga Ramaha iti rupam bhavati. So it is Apavada. It is exception to Utva Adesha. Okay. We will discuss more examples on this later. Just note this now. Right? Continuing further. Next person. Next person, next person is Rajaji. Ikaha plus N. Please do it. You have to unmute your mic.
Yeah, Guruji. So Ikaha plus N.
Ikaha,
So
not
this is
Ikaha.
Ikaha plus
Ikaha.
N. Ikaha. Sorry.
Yes.
So this is Visarga preceded by A followed by Hush letter. So the Visarga will be replaced by U and then the Guna will happen. Then it will become Iko N.
Iko N.
Iko N.
Next person, Tramilaji.
Akaha plus Savarne. Visarga preceded by Akara and followed by Kar letter. So it is Akas Savarne.
Okay. Then Visarga can be optionally replaced. by Sakara. Therefore, Akaha Savarne is another form. Two forms are there.
One is Akas Savarne Vangji.
One is Akas Savarne. Visarga when followed by Shar letter, Kar letter. Visarga when followed by Kar letter, Visarga is replaced by Sakara. Within Kar letter, if it is a Shar letter, that replacement is optional. Therefore, Akaha Savarne. Right?
Okay.
Next one, Surendraji.
Stu plus
Vriddhihi, highlighted, right?
Vriddhi. Vriddhihi plus Echi. Visarga. Now this will become Shutta Sandhi will happen.
Shutta Sandhi. Which one? Which is a sentence you are reading? Which one line you are reading? Highlighted one. Vriddhihi plus Echi. You are confusing with the next one. Vriddhihi plus Echi. What will happen here? Vriddhihi plus Echi. Are you there or not?
Yeah, this will become that inferred rule. That inferred
Yes.
Visarga, which is not preceded by a, and it is followed by any as letter, then the Visarga become Refa.
Visarga becomes.
Refa.
Visarga doesn't become Repa. It is inferred that that Repa is there in the place of. Yes. So Vriddhi Echi. The next one. Rathaji. Stuhu plus Stuna.
Stuhu plus Stuna, it is Chitra Sandhi, and Visarga will become Sakara and further changed into Shakara. Stuhu Stuna.
Visarga followed by.
Shakara.
Yeah, Visarga followed by.
Shakara. First, the Visarga will become Sakara.
Visarga followed by Shar letter, Kar letter. Therefore, Visarga is replaced by Sakara.
And then it is further converted into Shakara because it is Sha is the subset of Kar letter. Shar.
Therefore, then after that, Shutta Sandhi or Stuhu Stuna Visarga can remain optionally. Therefore, Stuhu plus Stuna. Next person. Give it up. Back to you.
Yes, Kuruti.
Yanyaha.
Yanyaha dirgaha. Tata, the is Kar letter. The is Kar letter. So before that is Visarga. So Visarga followed by Kar letter, and even within Kar it is Chacha. It's not Chacha, but what happens with Kar letter? Sorry, Guruji, I've just become numb.
Visarga is there. Preceded by a followed by hush letter. Simple.
Yeah, okay. U, it will be replaced by U.
Plus U becomes.
Yeah.
U, and then Guna happens.
Guna.
Visarga preceded by a and followed by hush letter. So Visarga is replaced by Ukara. Right? Then a plus U becomes Guna. So Yajno Dirgaha iti. Rupam bhavati.
Yajna, yajna,
In the
yajna.
chart, which is the rule?
I don't have the chart here, but it is.
Hmm.
I have only this line where A plus Visarga plus Hash, A plus Visarga plus H. In that, the second one, Guruji.
Yes, that A plus, that Visarga
Visarga
preceded by
plus
A,
H.
rule number you can see in the chart. It is there. Visarga preceded by A followed by A. After that, Visarga preceded by A followed by Hash. The Visarga will be replaced by Ukara. Therefore, A plus O becomes Guna, Yajno, Dirgaha. Right? Practice, you have to practice.
Okay, Guruji.
Next person, Jyotiji.
Sutra Vidaha plus Viduhu. It is the same rule as previous Guruji. Visarga preceded by Akara followed by a hash letter. So Visarga is replaced by U and Guna Sandhi happens. So Sutra Vidu Viduhu.
Sutra Vido Viduhu. Okay. Just a minute. This here, I think I did a mistake. This is not Pullingo Ramaha. I was thinking about that. Why I did small confusion happened for me myself. It is Pullingo Ramaha only. I tell you why it is later. This is a mistake. Okay, Pullingo Ramaha, Pullingaha Ramaha. I just confused myself. Okay, this is a simple one. Anyway, for that, this is Pullingaha. I tell you what it is. Confused with the Utsarga and the Apavada. Pullingo Ramaha. We chanted just now one shloka before the class. What is shloka? Ramo Rajamani Sada Vijayate. Right?
Yeah.
There is the first line is what? Ramaha. Ramaha Rajamanihi Sada Vijayate. So Ramo Rajamani Sada Vijayate we say. There also must have happened then. It must be Rama Rajamani. It is not Rama Rajamani. It is Ramo Rajamani. Okay. Ramo.
Followed by hash letter, that rule will apply.
So Visarga preceded by A and followed by Ash. So Visarga preceded by A followed by Hash. Visarga is replaced. But Utsarga, the general rule, what we know, you apply that. Pullingo Ramaha you get. Here what happens, in these cases, these cases, here Agnihi is there, Agnir, the Repa is there. Here also Repa is there. So this Agnir Repa, this Repa is born of Ru, and Punar Repa, here Repa is there naturally as part of the Abhyaya. So here, in these two places, the preceding, this rule cannot be applied because this is very specifically for the Ru, which is followed by Hash and preceded by A. Therefore, this rule takes precedence. This is Apavada. Therefore, that Ru is replaced by Ukara and the rule you apply. Whereas here, this Repa followed by A. Say Repa, just Repa followed by Repa. And here that Punar Repa followed by Repa. In these cases, this rule is not applicable. Therefore, there is no question of Apavada, exception. Therefore, what will happen? Agni Rochate iti. This is Rochate, not Rachate.
Agni is not Abhyaya, no? Guna is Abhyaya. Agni, but then other rule should come.
I didn't say Abhyaya. It shouldn't be Abhyaya. It can be anything. Why it should be Abhyaya? Any that Repa belong to anything. Repa of anything. But here in this case also Repa is there. But there is a specific rule is there. The specific rule is Repa preceded by A followed by Hash will be replaced by Ukara. Specific rule is there, so that has to be applied. In other cases, excepting that, in other cases, where the Repa is there, any Repa, we are not talking about the Abhyaya Repa or we are not talking about the Ru Repa, any Repa, other than the repa here, this repa. That repa, when followed by repa, that will become lopaha and the preceding and will become dirgha. Please note this, okay?
Guruji, where we should apply specific rule? How can we understand,
See,
Guruji?
the specific rules are already listed in the chart, okay? Visarga followed by a, visarga preceded by a, followed by a, ukara. Similarly, visarga preceded by a, followed by hash, ukara. That is general rule, right? So specifically given when preceded by a, fine. Other than that, means where repa is not replaced by anything. In that place, where repa is not replaced. Here in this case, punar repa doesn't have any adesha. It doesn't have ukara adesha, doesn't have ekara adesha. Similarly, agnir repa, there also this repa doesn't have any ukara adesha or ekara adesha. It cannot get that repa. The repa alone remains there. That repa, when followed by repa, that repa will become lopaha and preceding and becomes dirgha. Okay. Please note this. So this I have not captured in the Sandhi chart. So this Pullingo Ramaha is correct because that is the context we are discussing. I don't know why I brought this anyway. So that is the context. That is why this example is odd example in this section. That we will further can discuss it later. But apply the general rule here. Pullingaha Ramaha, whatever the rule have been taught, that rule you apply. You get Pullingo Ramaha. We want Pramanam for that. Ramo Rajamani Sada Vijayate. What we chanted. That is the one. That itself, that is first line itself. Ramaha Rajamanihi is there. Ramo Rajamanihi. Sandhi has happened. Okay. Is it clear or confusing?
This from Agni Rochate Punar Ramaha.
That is,
I'm lost there, Guruji.
that
It
is
should be
different.
other than a and a, isn't it?
That's what I said, yes.
Yeah.
For your understanding, you take. Technically, it is different. Technically, Sutra, Ashtadhyaya standpoint, I will explain it a different way. But here, for your understanding, you take. That is, this repa when preceded by, other than avarna, you take. That is, that repa is the room repa. Whereas in the Abhyaya repa, that doesn't matter. Abhyaya repa doesn't, anyway, it's not going to be replaced by ukara or yakara. That rule doesn't apply for the repa, which is part of the Abhyaya. So that there is no question. So where the repa, please listen carefully. Where the repa is preceded by akara, there only that repa is replaced by ukara or yakara. The repa means the repa born of room. It's only replaced by yakara or ukara. In other places, which includes the Abhyaya repa also, or the room preceded by any letter other than akara, there only this rule applies. What rule? When repa followed by repa, the first repa becomes lopaha and the preceding and becomes dirgha. Please note this. If you want, you can write it.
Yes, Guruji. Can you repeat it, please? Refa followed by refa.
Okay, let me put it in the chart. I think it is not there in the chart. This, you have to treat as like this as apavada.
Preceded by.
Number 18, I will type it.
Yeah.
This is specific. I've taught this many times, not in this class, other class, but still I myself did a mistake. It happens. Let me type it out. This one. Number 18. That is this room, the Visarga. Let it be Visarga. Within bracket, I will write as a room. you understand that room, that ru repa, that becomes visarga. That ru for the, for the general purpose we say visarga, but technically it is ru. The ru when preceded by, and not, or when preceded by other than akara, when preceded by other than akara and followed by what? Followed by repa. That is not only ru here, in fact it is this ru or the repa also, anything. This is visarga also ru. This repa I am writing specifically to show that the repa of the avya. So both. Okay, the ru means that in the place of ru, the visarga which has come. So that ru. Here this repa is the part of the avya. So both are only repa only. So if we can understand, I just remove this both and write simply repa. Repa when preceded by other than akara and followed by repa. It must be clear. So the repa, whether it is born of ru or the repa which is naturally there as part of the avya, right? Any repa. That's why I said any repa. So if you want more specifically, I have to write any repa. Any repa when preceded by other than akara and followed by repa, right? Then what will happen? Will become lopaha. Will become lopaha. When it becomes lopaha, simultaneously another thing happens. What happens? What does it happen? And the preceding un letter. Un is a, e, u. Preceding un becomes dirgha, long. Dirgha. So this is the rule. So example, you can take the same example. It is Agnihi. Actually, it is Agnis. Agnihi rochate. Agnihi, Agnis plus rochate. Padanta sakara. Padanta sakara becomes ru. That is ru. Agnir plus rochate, which is Agnir plus rochate. Now you can see the condition being fulfilled. Repa followed by repa. Therefore, it becomes first repa becomes lopaha and preceding un becomes dirgha. So you get Agnir. Agnir plus rochate becomes Agni rochate. You understand this? Is it clear? Agnir rochate. Counter example. This is Anvaya Udaharanam. Vyatireka Udaharanam. Counter example. Counter example, you can take the same. Pullingo Ramaha, you can take that example. That becomes Pullingas plus Ramaha. That becomes Pullingaru plus Ramaha. It is Pullingar plus Ramaha. And here, repa followed by repa. Can you do this? No. Because the main rule is that will apply. What is that? Here the ru, that is here the repa, which is born of ru, and preceded by akara. Specifically, akara is there. Therefore, this repa will be replaced by ukara. Once it is replaced by ukara, where is repa? Repa not there. Therefore, that is, because repa not there, therefore lopaha na bhavati, and preceding and also will not become dirgha. Therefore, guna will apply a plus u. Please mute your mic. Pramila ji.
When the cash withdraw,
Everybody, you can just switch on your mute mic. I don't know. Mute it when you're talking to somebody. Pullingas plus Ramaha. Pullingaro Ramaha. Pullingar Ramaha. Then Pullingo Ramaha. Is it clear now?
Yes, Ji.
Yes, Guruji.
This is counter example. I've given you counter example to make you understand.
Ji, Punaha plus Ramaha. Here also it is only Akaranta preceded by Visarga. Then how it is?
That is, the repa is not a Ru repa. It is naturally is there part of Abhyaya. That is why it is covered here. Any repa is said. Any repa means repa, whether it is Ru repa or repa as part of the Abhyaya. Any repa when preceded by other than Akara are followed by repa. That becomes, in fact, here what, yes, your question, from that question, your question is answered, but from that question, I'll say something. Then if there is an Avyaya, I don't remember any Avyaya, having the penultimate other than Akara, even if it is there, if there is any Avyaya, because you're asking this question, therefore I'm just extending your question and answering. Any repa, any Avyaya having the penultimate letter other than Akara, or even Akara it will happen. Okay. So any repa other than Akara I have written. So one note also I will write here. That will answer your question. That is, one minute. This I will make this into here 2 points. This I have written repa when preceded by. Repa when preceded by. This is, let me write like this. Ru is the repa. Visargaha within bracket Ru. Ru when preceded by this other than. The second one is this any the repa. The repa here it is of Avyayam. It's a good question what you asked. So I'm just modifying what I wrote here. Repa of Avyayam. When preceded by any letter, not only Akara. This Akara condition to remove. When preceded by any letter. So this I have divided into 2 parts. Because what you asked is a valid question. So this is, make it as A. That is repa when preceded by Akara followed by repa. Here I have written Ru. Fine, because the second part is here, which is B. Here the repa of Avyaya I have covered. Therefore I made here it as Ru. So Ru means repa. Repa when preceded by other than Akara and followed by repa will become lopaha, and the preceding and becomes dirgaha. This is part number 1. Part 2 is the repa of Avyayam. The repa of Avyayam when preceded by any letter, there is no condition. When preceded by any letter, whether it is Akara, Ikara, any letter, and followed by repa, that repa will become lopaha and the preceding and becomes dirgaha. For that, I give the example. Here, this example for A. For A, this is the example. For B, we can write the Punar Ramaha. That example we can write.
Excuse
1
me,
minute.
Ji.
Yeah, just let me complete this 1 minute.
Yeah.
Then the same thing for Punar Ramaha. This is example for the possibility B. Here Punar plus rochate. It will be punarrochate. It becomes punarochate. So now is it your question answered, Ramilaji?
Yes, Ji, but I'll call you later, Inji. எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் doubt இருக்குங்க ஜி இது.
லேட்டர்ல கால் பண்ணாதீங்க, இப்பயே கேளுங்க, என்ன டவுட் இருந்தாலும்.
I want to know. ஜி, அதுல வந்து எனக்கு
Because-
அந்த அவ்யய அந்த லாஸ்ட்ல நீங்க சொல்ற பதம் I can't understand. அந்த அவ்யயம் and விசர்கா நேச்சுரலாவே அங்க ரேப்பா இருக்குதுன்னு சொல்றீங்க இல்லையா? Those two I can't understand.
Avyayam only has got repa naturally. Ratar, Antar, Punar, all these are Avyayam. And Avyayam has got repa
Thank you.
naturally
Thank
there.
you. Ji, thank you. இப்பதான் புரிஞ்சு. Thank you, Ji. Sorry.
Yeah, I think taken these two things are different now. Yes, Manjulaji, what is your question?
Guruji, Bahir, is it
Yes.
Avyaya, Guruji?
Yes, same
It
thing. Yes, we
precedes
can-
the
yes,
precedes,
that-
it's not Akara, Ikara.
yes.
Preceding letter is.
Bahir plus rochate, suppose if you take, yes, good example. Therefore, here what will happen? Repa followed by repa, it becomes Bahi rochate. It will become Bahi rochate. The preceding and will become Dirgha. So, now listen, I summarize what I said. So I'm dividing this into, this is not inferred, this is by a rule. Okay, this is by a rule. The rule, I will write it. Rori, actually the rule. Technically, the sutra for that is Rori. This is for my reference, I am writing Rori. Now, I will summarize what I said. That is, we have two types of repa. We have two types of repa. One is repa, which is born of room. Second repa is the repa which is there as part of the avyaya, naturally there. One is natural avyaya, other one is the repa which is born of room, which is born of padanta sakara, right? Two types of repas are there. Now, for this rule, what I have done is, I'm taking the repa which is born of room. I can call it as visarga also, nothing wrong. Okay. And for the reason already we know, it becomes visarga when followed by kar letter. And when you join this, when you follow by kar letter, avasana. When you join sandhi, when not followed by kar, when avasana is there, that time when you do sandhi, you have to take one step back. That room will be there. So that part you know it. So whether it is visarga or room, we understand what it means. So let us take a room. Room is a repa. That repa when preceded by other than akara. Why I said other than akara? If it is preceded by akara and followed by repa, that is fulfilled by the condition, the rule number, you go before, that is fulfilled by the rule number 13. Room preceded by a, followed by hash. Room will be replaced by ukara. Rule number 13 will overrule. Rule number 13 will apply, right? Rule number 13 will apply. Therefore, I have mentioned here other than akara. Ru when preceded by other than akara and followed by repa, that repa will become lopaha and the preceding an will become dirgaha. This is part number 1. And the repa which is naturally there in the avyaya, like pratar, antar, bahir, etc. That repa, when preceded by any letter, here this repa is not born of room. Therefore, when preceded by any letter means when preceded by akara, what will happen? Even when preceded by akara, it is not going to be replaced by room, ukara, because it is not room. Therefore, when preceded by any letter and followed by repa, that repa will become lopaha and the preceding an becomes dirgaha. Preceding and becoming dirgaha is common to both. and repa becoming lopaha also common to both. But what repa only, there's a difference. That is why written it as part 1, part 2. Example for part 1, Agnis plus rochate. Here, the repa is born of ru. That is the example for A, 18A. Agni rochate, then the repa becomes lopaha, you get Agni rochate. Then example for part 2, where the repa is naturally there as part of Javya, Punar plus rochate. Here the repa becomes lopaha, preceding and becomes dirgha. Repa here cannot be replaced by ukara because this is a different repa, not a ru repa. Therefore, punar rochate, bagir plus rochate, bagi rochate, iti bhavati. Counter example, you can take the example what we have seen. Pullingas plus ramaha. Here, padanta sakara replaced by ru, the repa is there. Now this repa is preceded by akara and followed by hash. That is how you have to see it. You have to look at this. Repa, this ru preceded by a and followed by hash, you have to see. If you say repa followed by repa, then you will commit a mistake of pullinga ramaha, as I did in the beginning. Don't do that. Here you have to see this repa is ru. Ru preceded by a followed by hash. Then the ru will be replaced by ukara. In fact, this step itself is not required. I can remove this step. Then the confusion will not be there. That step was there. That's why the confusion came for me. That ru is replaced directly by ukara. A plus o becomes guna. Pullingo ramaha iti bhavati. Is it clear?
Yes,
It's
Guruji.
a
Now
little-
it is a lot more
Guruji.
clearer.
Yes, Ji.
Yes, Ji.
Yes. I understand your if you have got doubt because natural, because it happened for me, it happened for everyone. So it is, that's why I type this elaborately, divided into 2 parts. So understand this too. That should become clear now, I think. This is
Just
a good
one more
discussion.
request,
Guruji,
Guruji.
one.
Yeah, please tell me.
Yeah,
Yes,
Guruji,
Vijay.
that the rule, can we not write the rule B first and then A, then it will be easier, Guruji.
Not anyway you can write. It's not a problem. Okay.
Because first we will apply that avyaya, we will see if it is avyaya, then only if it is not avyaya, then only
It
the
doesn't
rule
matter. It doesn't matter actually. Anyway, it can be okay. Any so that repa is there. Any repa, fine. If it is any repa, this will apply. But any repa, if I say I have to divide that into 2, that's why I made it into 2. See, you can write any way you like. So it's not a problem. Okay. Then Girija, what's your question?
Guruji, can you put this particular Word document on the D drive? What is the D drive? What drive? Your drive, please. Because what happened was whatever you sent through WhatsApp, when I printed it, it is not having this table format there. So the printing is all over the place. Like roll number is number 18 is somewhere and the corresponding printing is somewhere.
Okay. I'll do
So
it. Right, fine.
when I
So,
printed it,
yes,
is so
yes.
confusing.
No problem. Done. Right. Yes, I'll do it.
Thank you.
So you
you.
understand this?
Yes, Guru.
Everybody, think about this.
Shall we
So-
do this one?
What is the website you upload that in a hard drive?
I'll send you later. Okay, let us continue. I'll send you later. So this is, yes, Anuradha, you're asking something?
Sharanji, if it is, for example, Ramaha Ramante,
Yeah,
for
tell me.
example.
Hmm.
So then should we apply this rule? Anyway, the answer is the same. Will that yakara come because we have seen a plus visarga, visarga preceded by a and followed by hush. Yakara will appear, then lopaha will happen.
Ramaha, yeah,
Ramaha Ramante.
okay.
And now,
So,
now if we apply that rule that we just learned, it is preceded by anything except akara. So it can be it will be dropped, and then this already is dirgha. So it is Rama Ramanti.
so if yakara comes, Yakara lopaha bhavati, you are saying, right?
Yeah, which yeah.
So which one to be applied first? I mean, which rule to apply? That's what I'm asking. Okay.
Yes, sure.
Here, it is actually Ramas, that is Rama room. That room only has become Repa, right? Rama room plus Ramante. Now, this row is there. The row is nothing but a Repa.
Yeah.
Repa followed by Repa. This Repa will become Lopaha. This Repa will become Lopaha. Therefore, you will have Rama, Ramante. It is not replaced by Yakara.
Okay.
Why? That's why it says very technical. If you see the Sandhi, the chart, this chart, if you see, you can see that, if you remember, I told starting from 8.2, right? 8.2 onwards, the rules have to be applied sequentially, I said. Sequentially. So you cannot bypass. Now this is 8.3.14. This is 8.3.14. In fact, I have to cut paste this in before, cut paste is before. Now this is 8.3.14. Remember this. And this that replaced by Yakara, which is 8.3.17. So which one will apply first?
14.
14 will apply. So that's what will apply. That is why in this chart I have given you as this number. Why all this number? Why this required? You may ask. It is with the view, with the Ashtadhyayi in mind, I have done this. The hope that we will study Ashtadhyayi later. That is why this number and sutra, everything is done. But for the beginners, they will not teach all those things. They simply say the rule. This will be. I mean, this condition happens. This will become. That's it. But I'm not doing it that way. And I'm with the Ashtadhyayi as the pramana, with that as the rule, as it is given in the Ashtadhyayi. Even though if it is little complicated, but if you understand that, if the logic is understood, once you understand, then your understanding cannot be shaken. Any situation will come, you know what to apply once the logic is understood. Even though it's little bit difficult, but the benefit is more. That is why I taught this way. That's why I told you in the beginning itself, when it comes to 8.2, if you see the rule 8.2 onwards, you have to apply the rules sequentially. You cannot bypass the rules. So if they still first, if the 8.2.66, for example, is to be applied, it has to be applied first. After that, only the other rules. Now, in this case, the rule what I taught you now, this is 8.3.14. So that comes before the rule, that Yakara, that is 8.3.17. So 8.3.14, that rule is Repa followed by Repa, preceded. That the Repa followed by Repa becomes Lopaha, and the preceding and will become Dirgha. That applied first. 8.3.17 later only. When this is applied, 8.3.17 cannot be applied. That's all. When if you apply 8.3.17 always, then why 8.3.14 is there? It becomes useless. That's the logic. Understand?
Yes, sure. Thank you.
So I'll cut and paste 8.3.14 here. Before somewhere here I have to place. So now if I place it here somewhere, that will cause confusion. Because here there is an order. In this sequence of rules, if you see, there is an order is there. So I think let this be there as rule number 18. Even though as 8.3.14 it should come before, if I put it there, it will create confusion. So let it be here as rule number 18. But you have to see, this is 8.3.14 comes first. If it is to be applied, it has to be applied first. So let it be in its own, in the same place, Yatasthanam. Fine. Is it clear?
Guruji, just one
Yes.
doubt. So
Yeah.
in this example, how we are applying 8.3.14, because this is preceded by Akara only.
No. Preceded. preceded by akara. What example she has given? Ramaha. Ramaha plus ramante. We are not worried about what precedes, okay? In this example, in this rule, repa followed by repa only is what the condition is. What precedes is not condition. If the preceding letter is an un letter, short un, it becomes dirgha. Yeah, the preceding letter already dirgha. Therefore, it cannot become further dirgha. Rama ramante remains as it is.
Okay.
Right?
So, okay. So we are only, okay. I understood, Guruji. Now.
If the preceding is a short one, now we can take the other example. Rama ramante is it's a good discussion. Ramaha plus ramate is now here what you say will have see here. Ramar plus ramate, right? This is counter example. Ramar plus ramate. What will apply here? Here it is
It's Ramo Ramate.
Ramo ramate. It is Ramo ramate. So therefore, Rajaji, therefore here you will have the word. You will have the word other than avyaya. You will have the word other than avyaya. Ramaha ramante. That's why she gave the right example. Ramaha ramante. If I say Ramaha, if akara is there, then ukara will become the adesha. Ramo ramante. You will get it. So therefore, when repa is preceded by akara, and you apply this rule that repa lopaha, then in that case, that word has to be the word has to be what? Avyayam.
Avyaya.
That's simple. That's the logic, right? Is it clear?
Yeah. Yes, Guruji. Sorry, Guruji. I got confused. So it only Rasva we are talking about.
Rasva akara, if it is rasva akara, then it must be, if the rasva akara is there and you are applying this rule, that repa lopa, then it must be an avyaya. You are not applying this rule, you are replacing by ukara, then it is not an avyaya, it is some padam, some word, some shabda other than avyaya. Then you apply that general rule that ru is replaced by ukara. Get it?
Yeah, got it, Guruji. Thank you, Guruji.
Good. This is a little complicated, not much complicated. So many examples are there. Let's follow these examples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this, if you have this understanding, it's fine. It's unshakable. Any sandhi, any rule, if I give, you would be able to do it. You want more, you can do that. Okay.
Sharanji, that's Ramo, right? The previous one. It's written
Yes,
as Ramo.
yes. Ramo, yes, Ramo. Okay. Ramo. Okay, this one you can do anyone. Anybody. Here nothing, sorry. Here nothing happens. Hari Amate, what sandhi is?
Yeah, Visarga should be there. Harihi.
Yeah.
Not Arihi. If it
So
is Arihi, then it
Ramsandi?
cannot be
Yeah.
Ramate. So this is wrong example. Okay, anyway, I'll give some other example. Here, what will be the Guru plus Ramate?
It will become Guru Ramate.
Yeah, here it is the Repa is born of Ru. Remember that. So, Ramate.
You'll have
Because
to
of Ru,
include-
don't replace by Ukara because the preceding letter is Ukara, Guru. Preceding letter is Ukara. So this Repa will become Lopaha. Therefore, you will have Guru Ramate. Yeah, somebody asking some question? What's that? Anybody asking? Okay. Then the next one. Antar plus Ramate.
Antaramati.
Antaramate.
Antaramate. So that Repa here it is part of the Avyaya. right? So therefore, that becomes lopaha antaramate iti. Then we can take the same example. Ramaha plus Rajamanihi. This is what we chanted at the beginning.
Ramo Rajamanihi.
In fact, this became the pramana for me when I did the mistake, Pullinga Ramaha. Then I thought, oh, it can be Rajamani. So that's this become the pramana. So when you know one shloka, that immediately occurs in your mind, and that becomes a pramana to, that to see that it is wrong. Anyway, so here it becomes Ramaha plus Rajamanihi. Here it is, you have to apply that general rule, Ramo Rajamanihi. So from this it is clear where when it is a shabda, there the repa when preceded by akara, don't apply this rule. When preceded by any letter other than akara, that is why I wrote like this. When preceded by any letter other than akara and followed by repa. This is for the shabda, any shabda which ends with any letter other than akara. There the repa will become lopa and the preceding and becomes dirgha. Whereas for avyaya, this condition is not there. Preceded by any letter followed by repa, that repa will become lopaha and the preceding and will become dirghaha. Okay. I hope it is clear. Is it clear?
Yes, Jay.
Yes,
Or
Guruji.
Yes, Ji.
this and also we can change it into in if you want. But the rule strictly says that and. Why? Because I have removed akara from here. When akara is removed and akara is already dirgha, right? So akara, can I remove it? Akara? I can remove the akara. So preceding letter has to be ikara or ukara. No, I think that will
Sharanji,
create
we
problem.
can't remove it because
Yeah,
of that
it will create a
pramana.
problem. Let it be and
Yeah.
yes, because akara is a that will create problem. So let it be there as it is. Okay. So this is fine. Let it be as it is. Okay, fine. You please go through this. If doubts are there, we'll see that in the next class. Now, we have seen many examples. So many examples we have done. Now, abhyasa. Practice this. You please try it. Have you tried this abhyasa? Kaha plus chit. All these sandhi rules are mixed up here now. So you have to join this and write the sandhi also. Kaha plus chit. What will apply? Visarga.
Kaschit.
Visarga followed by
a karu letter.
kar
Kar
letter.
letter.
Visarga will be replaced by sakara.
Sakara
And sakara will undergo
become shaka.
shutva.
Shutva sandhi.
Kaschit.
Sutvatanti.
Similarly, tapaha plus chinoti.
Tapashchinote.
Tapashchinoti. Namaha plus te.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Okay. So many examples are there. We will do that in the next class. You please try to take this as a homework. So many examples are there. Many are there.
Guruji, your 4 or 5 doubts are there, Guruji, in
Can you
this.
send homework by WhatsApp?
Huh? Already I sent you this file. Okay. This.
At homework alone, can you send it, Jay?
Sorry.
Homework alone, can you send it in the homework list?
WhatsApp.
We can do all.
Yes, Jay. Yeah.
Okay. I'll copy paste, but in WhatsApp it will not be clear. Anyway, I can send you a copy paste this. Yes, yes. Jyoti, please mute your mic. There's some noise at your end. Yeah, please ask Pramila, what's your doubt?
Today morning in Kathopanishad class, you told sa sarvajnaha, and you told it is when you give the meaning you gave at saha sarvajnaha.
Okay. There it is, yeshaha saha, that rule you have to apply.
Yes, Ji.
The visarga of saha or yeshaha when followed by hal, that becomes lopaha, doesn't become anything. Ikara, ukara and all. just is dropped, right? Whenever you see
Guruji,
whenever-
Guruji, if it is Saha Achyutaha, then it is Soachyutaha only.
that's
because
okay.
it is
Yes,
Akara.
yes.
Yeah.
Soham example you can remember. Saha plus Saham, Soham.
Yeah, Guruji. Yeah.
When
next-
followed by, let me complete. Saha, Eshaha, when followed by consonant, it is drop. When followed by ach, other than short vowel a, what will happen? You apply that rule. It is
Lopa.
replaced by yakara. The yakara is dropped optionally. Visarga preceded by a and followed by this ach vowel. Yakara is dropped optionally. Now, if it is followed by short vowel a, then you apply visarga preceded by a and followed by a. Soham. Understand? Is it clear, Parmilaji?
Yes, Ji.
Yes. So
next.
you have to divide that into three. For your understanding, I'm saying Saha plus something is there. You divide this into three. First, Saha is Visarga preceded by a. You can understand like that, no problem. Visarga preceded by a. Fine. Visarga preceded by a, followed by a, you apply the general rule that Visarga will be replaced by Ukara. Number one. Visarga preceded by a is there, followed by other than a, you replace it by yakara, the yakara becomes lopaha, right? Understand? Number two.
Okay.
Number three, visarga is there, and when followed by visarga of saha and eshaha, when followed by consonant, just drop it. That is the rule applied saha sarvagyaha. Okay.
Okay, Ji.
Yeah. Manjulaji, your question, please ask.
Yeah, Guruji, in Abhyasa, Vibrat plus Na. What rule we have to apply, Ji?
Which one? Vibrat?
Vibrat plus Na. Dantya Nakara. Na.
Then it is there, they do.
Yes,
Okay.
Ji. And two more words are there, Guruji. Vidwan plus Na.
Vidwan
and-
plus na. Nothing
Ji.
happens. Nothing happens.
Yeah,
That is to
Guruji.
test you. That is why to test you it is
Okay.
given.
Okay.
Vidwan, nakara, what will happen? Nothing happens. Vidwan na is Vidwan na.
One more word, Guruji. Uktam plus Cha.
Uktam plus cha. Kutra, that Anuswara followed by Chakara, that we have to study some more rules. Then you will understand that. Uktam plus cha. Yes.
Yeah, that's Guruji. Thank
So
you.
we'll be doing all these words, Guruji. There are quite a few doubts in the Abhyasa.
Oh, really? You tell me what is your doubt?
I'll have to get my paper, Guruji.
Yes, Abhyasa, I have to teach you some more rules are there. If those rules are also, those examples are also there, then you won't be able to do. But you can do whatever you can.
Yes, Guruji. I've done quite a few.
Then,
But will we be discussing them?
sure, why not? We have after this we have to discuss gesture sandhi, other sandhis are there. We will discuss. Then you will understand. But I don't think in the examples we have such situations. I don't think so. But all the rules, whatever, we have studied only those examples are given, not outside of the example, the rules, what we are studying. You see that if you have any doubt, you ask me in the next class.
Yes, Guruji.
Ji,
Yeah.
One doubt, sir.
Ji, Eko Bahunam. Today morning you took the class.
Ekaha Bahunam, okay. Ekaha plus Bahunam. Simple, that is Ekaha, Visarga preceded by A and followed by Hush letter. Right? That's applied. You can see that's why I said this chart, you keep this with you. Take a printout and keep this with you. This is what she
Guruji.
asked. Yeah.
Chalet plus Margat.
Chalet plus
Marga.
Margat. Okay. It is there in the exam, Abhyasa.
Yeah, Ji. It is there in Abhyasa.
You won't be able to do it now. We will do it later. Yaraha Anunasika follows. Therefore, Chalan Marga it will become that we have not seen.
Okay, Ji.
That we will see later.
Okay.
Those examples, leave it out. You can tell me in the next class. I'll remove that.
Yeah.
This Abhyasa, I think then Abhyasa we can do later after studying all their rules. some more rules, we can do this abhyasa. Whatever the examples we know, I mean the rules we have studied, those examples we will do. Other examples after studying further rules, we can do it. Anyway, it's a good exercise. You see whether the rules what you studied is applicable or not. You have to see it is not applicable also. You have to see this rule is not applicable. Not applicable means this rule not studied so far. Therefore, whatever the rules you have, that is not applicable. Something else, some other rules apply. That also you must be able to see it. If you see, that's good. It's a good thing. It means your understanding is thorough. Okay. It's good. What you asked, Talit plus Marga, the rule I have not taught you. Yes.
Thank you, Jay.
Okay.
Guruji, this document is in the Google Drive, Guruji, right?
I sent you through WhatsApp also this which document you're asking about? What I see is showing the screen.
For the Abhyasa.
The one on the screen.
No, not this one. The Abhyasa.
Abhyasa, I will send you through as a PDF file. Okay, because it has to be updated. I have not yet updated. I'm doing a lot of edition and updation in that.
Even Guruji, even this file is there in the Google Drive, the file that we are seeing.
This file, not there. Only final. This actually it has undergone many revisions. Now the summary of Sandhi rules number 8 or 9 is there. After adding so many rules. So that's why whenever we cover some rules, I add and update it. So now it has gone updation 9. So that is the final file. If at all, if I put it in the Google Drive, only that file I will put it. And this file I can send you by converting this into your PDF file and send you. That's what I think Girija asked.
Yeah, correct.
Yes, Guruji.
Right.
Both the file, PDF form, I'll send it to the WhatsApp.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Dhanyawad.
We have to stop here. Let me get ready for my class here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanta Shanta Shanti Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. If you have caused any confusion, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for it. Okay. In the beginning, I caused.
No, it's okay, Guruji.
Not needed, Guruji.
Absolutely no problem.
Guruji.
Dhanyawad, Guruji.
Dhanyawad, Guruji.
Dhanyawad, Guruji.
Dhanyawad, Guruji.
Dhanyawad.